Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to H&H Racing World headquarters. Today we are working on putting belts in this white car. We had to take the Nerf bars off the sides to put the new ones on and take the old ones off. We had to drop the tail tank too. Dad's getting ready to get in the car to adjust them, and we have to adjust them from there. Okay, so Dad got in the car. He liked the way the belts fit, so we went ahead and finished up putting the rest of the car back together. We put this Nerf bar back on, we put the tail tank back on, we put this Nerf bar back on, put this side panel on again. The next thing he said that we were gonna do is we were going to, I think, do ride heights. Block the front axle, adjust the toe and stuff like that. Same thing with the back, adjust it. I don't know if we shouldn't have to do much to it. The same thing with my car. We'll have to adjust the toe and the ride height. The back should be, I think, should be okay. Yeah, so that's the next thing we're gonna do. Put some new belts in the car. I think they look pretty nice. Well, that's gonna be it for this one. Feel free to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Well, anyways, thanks for watching.